Hi, welcome to this video on how to cut and paste articles from the Bulletin website into your own church bulletin layout program. The first thing you'll need to do is to go to the login, fill in your information to log into your membership homepage. And now if you've already decided how big of an article you need, you already know your requirements, you can just start clicking through your articles. But let me let you know that there are two different ways that you can retrieve an article. The first way we'll show you is by using the resources link. This month, we're recording this as June 2019, so we'll click on that resource. And I know I'm looking for an article that's about 200 words long, so I'm scrolling through and deciding what article to use. And I'm going to pick out this article by Barry Haynes that's 199 words. I'm going to click on the title to pull it up. You see it's 199 words. And I'm going to put my cursor, my mouse, right over the first word and click and drag to highlight those words. And let off the button when I've got it all highlighted that I want. And then I'm going to go to Edit and Copy. And now that I have captured that text, I'm going to go to my bulletin layout program. I'm going to click on the place where I want that article to be, and I'm going to go to Edit and Paste. And there it is. I will want to do a little formatting on my own. You're familiar with your own program and can do that. You will want to capture the headline also. Go to Edit, Copy, and put it right where it goes by using Edit, Paste. Now, of course, these will change depending on how your program operates. Now, there is another way. Let me edit and paste that again. Okay. There is another way that we can retrieve the articles, and some people like this better. Click on your, don't forget to mark your article used if you'd like, so you don't repeat it in the future. Click on the logo up here to go back to your membership homepage. Scroll down to your resources, and in addition to the resources link, there is also a text link. You click on this, and this has a text-only version of the articles for the month. So you can scroll through and find whatever you'd like. We'll take this article about the irrational nature of sin by Bart Warren. It's 192 words. And we will go to Edit and Copy and bring that out. Paste to our bulletin page. It's pretty simple from there. Now, you'll do your own editing, of course, in your program. We'll go back to our home page. And that's as easy as it can be. Just copying and pasting after you select your article and choosing to mark it as used. Thank you very much for viewing this video. We'll see you next time.